So, Sandy, tell us a little bit more about the founding history or the early days of Scroll.
Yeah, sure. So there are three co-founders of Scroll, me, Zhang Ye, and Hai Chen. And we met on the Ethereum research forums. It started off when Ye published a thread on ETH research. At the time, he was a PhD student at NYU, and he was working on a thesis about kind of hardware ASICs and FPGA and how that could solve large proving problems. And we started talking about whether this could be applied to solving the scalability problem within Ethereum. And we had a kind of a strong intuition about how this would play out. And then we found Hai Chen, who was a senior engineer at Amazon at the time, and he worked on hardware, he worked on system optimization, and he worked on various aspects related to the Scroll stack that we had envisaged at the time. And when he verified the viability of this kind of roadmap, that's what really gave us the confidence to go for it. It's being like Scroll, quote unquote, as a project. So we started it off as like just a fun project. We're just like tooling around and really excited to see how far we could get with this thesis. And we got very lucky. We got some positive feedback from the community on a very kind of on a very kind of high level paper that we published in the earlier days. And some of our friends from the Ethereum community came forth and provided feedback. And in particular, I think Barry from the PSC team at the Ethereum Foundation kind of decided that this was something that he was interested in doing as well. So we decided to do it together. And so having, early support from engineers from the Ethereum Foundation was very important to help us quickly scale up at a time where ZK engineers were very difficult, especially experienced ZK engineers were very hard to come by, and they were scattered around the world. And then that really kicked off our process of trying to assemble a team and also build a product and et cetera, et cetera.